Hi everyone! Today the textbook you need for maths is pages 60 and 62. Okay, so we have got some shapes. Let's remind ourselves again what these shapes are. So this one, let's look at the number of sides. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remembering what I said yesterday, if a shape's got 6 sides, it's a hexagon. Well done. This shape is a square. It's got 4 sides and they are all the exact same length, and it's got 4 vertices, 4 corners. This shape's a nice and easy one. It's a triangle. Tri means 3. It's got 3 vertices and 3 sides. This one is trying to trick you. What shape is that? It's just a square, isn't it? On a side to make it look like a diamond. That's a square. This one, why is this not a square? It's got 4 sides and it's got 4 vertices. Why is it not a square? It's not a square because it's got 2 sides that are longer and 2 that are shorter. Another triangle, another type of triangle, and this is another rectangle. It's just longer. So, thinking about the things we've learnt about shapes, thinking of the sides, the vertices, the past couple of days we've been doing about whether they're symmetrical or not. How can you sort these shapes into 2 different piles? Are you just going to grab a few and separate them like that? Or can we separate them and sort them into a more organised way? So how can you organise these into 2 groups? So you might want to pause the video and spend some time with your adult organising them and redrawing them, or just writing the names of the shapes in one group and in another group and why you've put them in each group. And then we'll come back together and see if we've got some other ways that you did it at home. So if you want to pause the video now, and we'll come back together. So some of you may have sorted them like this. So Amira has sorted them. She sorted them into 3 groups. She sorted them depending on the number of sides they've got. And just put here, look, these sort of shapes all have 3 sides. These shapes all have 4 sides. And this shape on its own has 6 sides. So well done if you organise them based on the number of sides they have. Then we have Ravi. Okay, Ravi's a bit stuck. Ravi wants to organise them depending on the number of vertices, the number of corners where the 2 edges meet, the number of corners each shape has. So we have the rectangle. Does the rectangle have 3 vertices or more than 3? Shout out to the screen. That's right, it's got more than 3. This triangle, 3 vertices or more than 3. 3. This one, 3. This one, more than 3 or 3? More than 3. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Another rectangle, 3. No, more than 3. Another triangle over here. No, triangles have got 3. We know that because of the part of the word which is tri. Tri means 3. A square, how many vertices does a square have? It has 4, so it goes here. No, it goes over here. And the last one there, hexagon, does it have 3 vertices? No, it has more than 3. There we go. We have helped Ravi sort them shapes into different groups depending on the number of vertices they have. So that's 2 different ways these shapes have been sorted. Let's go back. They've been sorted depending on how many the number of sides they've got, and they've been sorted based on the number of vertices. Okay, so we've done sides. We've done vertices. Emma's done it another way. Thinking about what else we've done with shapes the past few days, how has Emma sorted these shapes? So we've done the sides already. We've done vertices already. Thinking about what we've been doing recently, how are these shapes sorted? Because I've got a triangle here and a triangle here, but then one over here. I'm confused. You know, to pause the video and work with your adult to work out how have these shapes been sorted. Right, and then let's find out how they've been sorted. If you said these shapes are all symmetrical and this one is not symmetrical, you would be correct. Let's draw. I'll try and do this as straight as I can. That's got a line of symmetry going down and across. This one, we'll just do it down for now. Down, could go across, it could go diagonal. Okay. Please accept my apology because my lines are not straight, but you'll get what I mean, and so on. But this one, we cannot fold this one in half, can we? Okay, so your guided practice today is you need to tell me you need to tell me how these shapes have been organised. So what I might do is I might just put some keywords down this side to help you. So, have they been organised by colour? Have they been organised by shape? Have they been organised by the number of vertices? How have they been organised depending on whether they are symmetrical? Have they been organised thinking about this number of edges they've got, number of sides? Okay, let's have a look. Right, and then when you've done that, you need to go on to page 51 and 52. And the same thing again. This time, you've got the shapes and they've all got a name. So here's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You've got to put the shapes into the correct grid. So for example, here, let's do the first one together. How many sides does A have? 1, 2, 3. So A goes here. How many sides does B have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes in the box that says, in the column that says 4 sides. C, 1, 2, 3, another 4 sides. And D has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D goes here where it says 5 sides, and so on until you've done all the letters. Then you do the same, but it goes on the how many vertices they have. Think about what we know about the amount of sides and vertices. Then it goes on whether they are symmetrical. So whether they have one line of symmetry, so whether they can be folded one way, or whether they can be folded another way, or if they can't be folded in half at all. And then your second page, how have they been sorted? So they're being sorted by the shape that they are. Are they symmetrical or not? Do they have X amount of corners, X amount of vertices, X amount of sides? Okay, have a go. If you get stuck, please message me, mums and dads and carers, and please send photos of your work when you have done. Please, thank you.